Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the easiest and most delicious ensalada navideña. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alright guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. We're going to begin by making our sweet cream. To our blender cup, add the 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of Mexican vanilla blend, 1 can of media crema, or you can use heavy cream, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and the juice of our fruit cocktail. Now blend till smooth. Okay, so as we have that, we can put it all together. Okay, now to our large bowl, we're going to add our 8 apples, 30 ounces of fruit cocktail, 1 pound of strawberries, 1 cup of grapes, 2 cups of marshmallows, chopped pecans. And here you can also add your coconut flakes, but I'm going to leave it last because some of my kids don't like it. Now we're just going to pour our mixture and mix it all together. Okay, once we have mixed it all together, we're going to place it in our refrigerator and allow it to chill for at least 30 minutes. Alrighty guys, so after 30 minutes, we can now get ready for the fun part, and that's serving. So we're just going to grab our cup, serve our salad. Here I'm going to garnish it with some coconut, some more pecans, and a cherry. And just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this one right here, it's a family favorite. We love and enjoy it all year round, especially during Christmas. I promise your family, friends are going to love and enjoy it just as much. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. The cream is perfect. It's not too sweet. Perfect blend, you know, with all the fruits, the different textures. It's the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make a super easy and delicious ensalada navideña. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.